Oh my god, your kickstand is so hard to get up.
Dude, this sounds sick.
Right? Just be careful with it, okay? What? Be careful with it. I'll be careful with yours. Oh my god, you're just quiet. Oh my god, dude, it's clutch. Oh my god, dude, his clutch is weird. It's pretty nice though. Oh yeah, I don't have a gear indicator. I don't like that. I wonder if he likes it. Oh yeah, I just felt that. I just stopped. I was like, oh, whoa. Your clutch is a little smoother.
Really?
Yeah, actually. But
yeah, yours fucking is so deep. And then what else?
Oh yeah, yours has a little like you gotta really pull it. Like it has resistance when I have to pull it in. Mine's just light.
Yeah, bro. And then also whenever I'm shifting the gears, it just shifts. That one jumps a little.
Oh yeah, it's because I have a slip shifter on there.
Really?
Yeah.
I need to get me one of them things.
This thing kind of picks up a little bit. This is definitely a little fun little bike though, for sure. It's like a commuter bike too. Oh my god, dude. Your fucking brakes, bro. They are a little like hard to pull or take a while.
You know what else? Dude, this thing sounds nice.
Ah, I know, dude. As soon as we're off the start. Yeah. Rev yours a little. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Squeakers on. Awesome. You don't have a rev indicator. Or not a rev, gear indicator.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, it does.
You can see on mine at least what you're in.
I was at the stop sign and I was like, fuck, what gear am I in? And I looked down, I'm like, that's nice.
Yeah, dude, it is nice.
That's supposed to have one, but I don't know what happened.
Oh, it must have gone away or something.
Yeah.
All right, I'll meet you down there. Woo, I get a little scared on this clutch right there. Right? It's a lot of fun, dude.
Oh, fuck.
It picks up. Your bike takes a while to pick up.
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely does, dude. I can feel the difference. Because that, you just like...
It's, you tell me you've driven in air?
Not at this certain one, but at the one in St. Augustine that I've gone. Here, ready? Let me explore.
Are we going to go in there with the bikes?
Let me see if I can.
I don't know, because I've been in there, but...
Here, let's walk it. Let's see.
I bet.
All right, let's stop the GoPro.